nagkatay na sila ng baboy. Ayan, katay na sila for preparations bukas kasi libing na ng tatay ko. So, lahat ito ay member for the association. So if you are the member for one of the association for funeral, one of you has the task. So some of them are cooking, slicing for the meat, and for the condiments, the wood, or water, whatever the needs for the funeral, they are the one who do the task. If you are the member for one of the association for funeral. So basically, if you are the member, you have a task. Either you belong to the waterer. So if one of the member of the family and you are the part of the association, then you have to do your job. Okay, thank you. So this is it. They are the member, so this is their job. They are cooking, preparing some the meat. They also cooking for everything for tomorrow, serving people who are the who has those family got been passing. So yung natungdan o yung namatyan ay sitting pretty because they are the one who do everything. So there are some people here coming. So they're bringing more woods. Yan. Yun ang task nila. Dadala ng mga kahoy para sa pagluluto. Ayan. So one of the family, if you are the membership, you contributing your part. Plus, you have to pay $20, maybe $7, or maybe less. Because it's in Philippine money, you have to contribute, all of you, how many members, for 200 pesos, right? So here it is. They are preparing for everything. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoy and share for the moment, for the last day, the last night for my dad's funeral. Bye.